Okay, how's it going, everybody? So in this video, we're going to answer the question, how to find the percentage of missing values for all my columns in my worksheet in Excel. This is going to involve using the count A function as well as cell references. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're still going to keep on working with the same data sheet that we've been working with, which is the 90,000 adverse product related events provided by the FDA. If you're not too familiar with the data sheet, there's a link down in the description explaining the data. So I've created a separate worksheet here just to make things look nice. So we're going to head over to the RA report number column, and then we're going to we're going to insert a equal sign, and then we're just going to use the count A function, and we're going to reference our external worksheet here, the first data value. And we want to control shift down to select all the data values. Now, one thing to note is what Excel is doing. It's making the column A an absolute reference. What we want is to allow the reference to change as we drag the formula. So we're going to take away the absolute reference to column A, and then we're going to divide by the number of data values, the number of rows in our data sheet besides our header value. And now we do want this as an absolute reference, so we're going to put a $sign in front of the column letter and in front of the row number. And then we are now able to drag this, and we get our percentage of non-missing values in each column. And we see that event start date has 59% non-missing, age at adverse event has 58% non-missing, and one row coded symptoms practically has no missing values. So that was this video on how to find the percentage of non-missing values in each column in your worksheet in Excel. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, later.